Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to I'd like to review about simple past tense in regular and irregular verb. We form the past tense of regular verbs by adding D or ED to their plural form. For example, work become work, live become lived, create become created, study become studied, close become closed, cook become cook, wait become waited, open become opened, and so on and so forth. But in irregular verb, we must memorize it because there is no rule to the irregular verb forms. For example, go become went, make become made, do become did, have become had, catch become couch, stand become stood, sit become sat, brick become broke, catch become couch. Well, but the pattern of simple past tense and positive sentence is subject plus verb 2. Verb 2 can be regular or irregular verb. Then the negative form of simple past tense is subject plus did not or didn't plus verb 1. What about question form? The question form of simple past tense is did plus subject plus verb 1. Example: I lived in New York last year. The negative if is I didn't live in New York last year. Then the question form is did you live in New York last year? Then they went home early yesterday. They didn't go home early yesterday. Did they go home early yesterday? Then John bought a pair of shoes. John didn't buy a pair of shoes. Did John buy a pair of shoes? Now please answer my questions. I'd like to ask you some questions about you. Where did you go yesterday? Did you get up early or late? Did you have breakfast yesterday? What time did you have lunch yesterday? What time did you go home? What did you do last night? What time did you go to bed last night? What did you do before going to bed last night? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.